right, and finally, part 4 of conductivity. We are going to titrate, actually, an acid with a base. I'm going to do the barium hydroxide. Check that conductivity. Wowzers, wowzers, and wowzers. And I'm going to not rinse the electrodes into that because I want to titrate that with the sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, 0.1 molar, just like the barium hydroxide was 0.1 molar. Yep, yep, and yep, that's a lot of brightness. All the light bulbs, very bright. Okay, now, oopsie daisy, I just spilled water all over my lab book. It happens. Now I'm going to titrate I'm going to add some phenolphthalein to the sulfuric acid. And I'm going to, phenolphthalein can cloud it up a little, don't worry about that. Now I'm going to titrate the barium hydroxide into the sulfuric acid. And can you see that right when I drop it in, it's, not only is it getting cloudy, but it's pink. I don't remember what I was doing. We're gonna go right to the end point, which is that faint pink. And then we're going to test the conductivity. Come on, buddy boy, get to the end point. Okay, it's lasting longer. I think I'm getting close. We're not doing it to any quantitative amount. We're just going to that data collecting. We're just going to that end point so we can see what our conductivity is. But you can see that it has a nice white solid forming there. I had more volume of the barium hydroxide sodium acid than I did the barium hydroxide, so I need a tiny bit more. Almost, not quite, it's not quite staying yet. Little stinker. It's taking its sweet old time, isn't it? We're getting closer though. The concentration of the barium hydroxide and the sulfuric acid are the same. That's what happens here. I just want that faint pink. I'm so close. But like they say in hand grenades, close but no cigar is not good enough. I want it right there. And remember, the color change has to last about 30 seconds. Let's see what happens. Nope, it still went away, you bad little boy or girl, whatever you are. Bad little stinker, I'll just say. But you can see that pink color. I love it though anyways, I don't care. The pink color is so pretty. Is lasting longer and longer. We're just not there yet. Okay, what happened there? Come on, you can do it. Let's see. Oh, I went too far. Wait for it. No, almost. I don't want to go too far because then I mess up the titration. No, I'm getting impatient, and that's not a good chemist to get impatient. But I know you guys are watching this. Don't fast forward through me. I'll feel hurt. I'll know if you're fast forwarding. Just kidding. No fast forwarding through. Okay, I overshot it a tiny bit. Gosh darn it all to heck. I'm just going to add 1 drop of acid. Should I back titrate it a little? It doesn't matter. We're going to get the idea, I hope. Let's see what happens. I feel like I should add 1 drop of sulfuric just to back titrate it a tiny bit. Oh, I put it in there. I'm too afraid. Okay, let me just see you guys. Hang on. I just want to see if I can just back titrate it with 1 tiny little drop. Because I want that end point to be, okay, I'm going to take it. All right, here we go. Oh, good. No light. No light. No light, and my friends, that's what I call perfect titration. Perfect, because it made a solid in water. Oh, they didn't hear all that.